Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see here, there are a lot of ants on my in front of my sidewalk here, the front sidewalk. Right here, that's the front of my house. And then when you look at the sidewalk right there, so many ants right there, all over the place. See that? Look at this, thousands of them right there, and it leaves in cracks in between the cement right here. Look at so many of them. So today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of them. I have here baking soda, and it right here just white distilled vinegar, paprika, and cayenne pepper. I have a spray bottle right here. I'm gonna put the baking soda in it, a couple teaspoons of baking soda into the spray bottle. Right, and then I'm gonna put mix it up with the white vinegar. You see the chemical reaction right there between the white vinegar and the baking soda. It's already foaming up. So, oh, chemical reaction right there. Look at that. So I'm gonna spray, shake it a little bit, make sure that, oh, I'm gonna spray on them. All right. All right. A little bit of paprika. I don't think they like that spiciness. All right. I got cayenne pepper right here. There's another spice I don't think they like. Alright, that's all we need to do, and just wait and a couple hours to come back if they're still here. Well, as you can see, after about 2 hours, not many ants are left over here. Look at, there's a few of them left running around, but more majority of them are gone. Right? There's a few left, but majority of them are gone. So this is the next day. As you can see here, most of the ants are either dead or moved away. There's only a few of them left. You can see a few of them. Majority of them just move on or basically dead right there. Yep. I guess it works. Destroy the colony right there. They're gone. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.